This is the all-new M18 Fuel Duplex Nailer. Now this nailer has been designed around our current framer nailer, so therefore it inherits all the power and performance we see on our current framing nailer. Now what makes a duplex nail unique is it has a double-headed nail. So what happens here is once the nail is fired into the material, the first head will make contact with the material and stop the nail going any deeper, and it will leave the second head of the nail exposed. Now this makes it easier to remove that nail. The idea here is these nails are used for temporary fixings. One of these examples is when temporary bracing a timber stud wall, or the main application where we see this is when constructing concrete formwork. So obviously we need to build the shape, pour the concrete into this formwork, and then once the concrete is cured, we then remove this shape, and that's where the duplex nail is mostly used. We offer two different sizes of Milwaukee duplex nailers. One is a 73mm length nail, and the second is a 92mm long nail. Both of these nails are 3.3mm in diameter. Some of the other features of the duplex nailer is we have a quick release jam lever at the front of the tool to remove any jams when they do occur on the job site to get back to work quickly. We also have a depth adjuster here, which is important when shooting into different types of material, hard or soft, to get the correct depth. And then we have a mode selection here. We have two modes from single shot mode and bump fire mode. Lastly, I want to hire a runtime, and with one 5 amp hour battery pack, we can fire up to 700 nails with one fully charged battery.